Welcome to QMX, a powerful platform designed to simplify inspection management, reporting, and client information in one seamless solution. This video will guide you through the workflow of lifting equipments. The user begins by logging into QMX using secure credentials. The system ensures secure, role-based access so only authorized users can proceed. Once logged in, the dashboard provides a clear and intuitive overview of activities. From the dashboard, the user can view the sales orders assigned to them, and then navigate to the inspection reports, where a list of all inspections will be available. By clicking on Lifting Equipments, the Lifting Assets page opens, providing a complete overview of all equipment associated with different rigs and customers. At the top of the page, two drop-downs, Customer and Location, help in refining data selection. The Load button is used to display all inspection records for a selected customer and rig. Once the user selects both values from the drop-downs and clicks Load, the system retrieves and displays a detailed data table. This table provides a complete overview of inspection activities and includes key columns such as inspection date, report number, job allocation JA, equipment category, serial number, and other important data fields. Alongside these details, 3 action buttons are available for each record: View, Edit, and Copy. The View button opens the report in draft format if it has not yet been approved by quality control. The Edit button takes the user to the Lifting Assets page for new equipment, where the selected record can be modified or updated as required. The Copy button also opens the Lifting Assets page for new equipment, but this time, it allows the inspector to duplicate the details of the selected equipment and copy them to another customer and rig. It's important to note that the table displays only the latest inspection data for the added equipment. This keeps the interface clean and focused, showing inspectors the most recent and relevant information at a glance. Beside the Load button, towards the right side of the screen, there are 4 powerful filtration buttons that help the inspector quickly sort and view reports based on their current status. The first is All. This option displays all available data for the selected customer and rig, giving a complete overview of every inspection record regardless of its status. Next is Pending. This filter shows reports that have been saved but not yet submitted. Then comes For Approvals. This view lists all equipment reports that have already been submitted and are currently awaiting approval from the QC. Finally, the Completed filter displays all approved reports, showing records that have successfully passed the QC review and are finalized in the system. Below the drop-downs, a set of action buttons gives inspectors full control over managing inspection data, reports, and equipment records within the Lifting Equipment module. The first button is View Summary. This opens a pop-up to select a job allocation number assigned for the user. Upon selecting a JA, it displays a summary report of all inspections performed. It provides a clear overview of each equipment type, their total quantities, sublocations, inspection types, and results. This summary helps supervisors and inspectors quickly analyze inspection coverage and outcomes across the entire rig or site. Next is QC Reject Comments. Clicking this opens an Excel sheet listing all rejected equipment records. The sheet includes essential details such as the equipment information, the QC comments explaining the reason for rejection, and the name of the reviewer. This feature allows inspectors to easily identify issues, review feedback, and take corrective action. The Add Equipments button opens the Lifting Assets page, where inspectors can add new equipment, upload certificates of conformity, and input related details. This is the main entry point for registering new lifting equipment into the system. Next, the Lifting Certificate button opens the Lifting Equipment page. This is where inspectors can create inspection reports for the selected equipment. From here, they can document findings, attach images, and proceed with report submission. The History button opens the Lifting Equipment History page. This section displays the complete inspection history of the selected equipment, allowing the inspector to review previous inspections, dates, and results for reference or verification. The View Register button generates an Excel sheet for the selected report number. This register includes important columns such as identification number, type of equipment, description, SWL/WLL, applied load, and other details for the chosen equipment, offering a complete record in a structured and shareable format. Next, Download Selected Records allows inspectors to download inspection reports for the selected equipment directly in the background, making it quick and convenient to access finalized documents. The Refresh button updates the data table, instantly reflecting any new entries, edits, or approvals to ensure that the displayed information is always up to date. The Exit button navigates the inspector back to the main panel, providing a smooth transition out of the lifting equipment module. The Delete button removes the selected record from the current list, ideal for cleaning up incorrect or duplicate entries. And finally, Deleted Assets opens a dedicated page listing all deleted equipment types, along with their serial numbers and related details. This ensures complete traceability and accountability for any records that have been removed. Now, let's look at how a new equipment is added. Clicking on Add Equipments opens the Lifting Assets page. This is where inspectors can register new equipment and upload related documentation. At the top of the page, there are two drop-downs: Customer and Rig. The inspector starts by selecting the customer, and the Rig drop-down automatically displays all rigs linked to that customer. Just below, you'll see 5 action buttons: Browse COC, Upload COC, Multiple Equipments, Save, and Back. These provide all the necessary tools for both individual and bulk equipment entry. Below the action buttons, the page is divided into sections: Equipment Details, Manufacturing Details, and Equipment Description. The fields under Equipment Details are mandatory, and once all required data is filled, the inspector can click Save to securely record the information. The inspector can also browse and upload a Certificate of Conformity, COC, directly to the system, ensuring every asset record includes its corresponding documentation. For larger entries, the Multiple Equipments option allows bulk uploads. The user can download a sample Excel format, fill in multiple equipment records offline, and then upload them all at once, streamlining the data entry process. Additionally, inspectors can upload an entire folder containing multiple COC documents. Please note, when uploading a COC folder for multiple equipment, the folder must be properly structured to ensure smooth data mapping. Each COC file inside the folder should be renamed in serial order, as 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, matching the exact sequence in which each serial number has been added in the Excel sheet. This ensures that every COC document is correctly linked to its respective equipment record, avoiding mismatches during report generation or validation. Once the process is complete, clicking back returns the inspector to the Lifting Assets page. The equipment table also includes filtering and sorting options similar to Excel, enabling inspectors to quickly organize and locate equipment data based on parameters such as equipment category, serial number, certificate status, or inspection date. This makes equipment registration faster, more efficient, and fully documented for inspection readiness. Now let's move ahead with creating lifting certificates. To begin, the inspector selects the required assets and clicks on Lifting Certificates. A prompt will appear asking for confirmation. Selecting Yes opens the Lifting Equipment Inspection page.
This is the central workspace where inspectors prepare and manage all certification details for the selected lifting assets. All the selected equipment will now be displayed in a table. At the top, the inspector can choose the job allocation number, JA number, from the list of allocations assigned to them. Once a JA number is selected, the report numbers for the assets automatically update accordingly. Next, the inspector can select one or more assets and click on Certificate Common Data. Here, the inspector can enter or update all the required fields. Checkboxes beside each field allow for precise updates. If only one or a few fields need to be changed, the inspector can simply check those boxes and apply changes without affecting other data. The inspector can also select additional inspection types, such as MPI, LPT, or ECI, and fill in the related tabs like Checklist Questionnaire and NDT details. Clicking Copy to selected rows updates only the highlighted records, while Copy to all rows applies the same data to every record in the table. For bulk updates, the inspector can upload data directly from an Excel register by clicking Upload Data from Register. The Upload Lifting Register window will open. Here, clicking Sample Format downloads the Excel template. The inspector can fill it in offline and upload it back into the system. Once the upload is complete, clicking back returns the user to the Lifting Equipment Inspection page. All entered data can be saved by clicking Save. If MPI, LPT, or ECI inspections were selected earlier, the inspector can create their respective reports directly from this page. For example, clicking MPI Certificate opens the MPI inspection page. Here, the inspector selects the job allocation, chooses the relevant asset, and clicks Certificate Common Data to open the MPI Inspection Common Data form. After updating the required fields, the inspector can choose Copy to all rows or Copy to selected rows, and then click Save to store the changes. After upload inspection images, the inspector clicks multiple images upload. For this, a folder named NDT must be created inside D drive QMX_files, and all related images should be placed in it, named in sequence, such as 1-1.jpg, 1-2.jpg, 1-3.jpg, and 1-8.jpg for serial number images. Once uploaded, the inspector can generate the draft report by clicking Generate MPI Certificates. Once generated, a notification will pop up that report is generated, and then use the I icon to preview the report. If everything appears correct, clicking Submit sends the MPI report for approval. Clicking Exit returns the user to the lifting equipment inspection page. The same process applies for LPT and ECI certificates, both follow identical workflows. Additionally, the inspector can add image attachment sheets by clicking the image icon, which opens the attachment sheet images page. Here, up to 8 images can be uploaded and attached as supplementary pages to the report. The inspector can also view the draft lifting inspection certificate at any time by clicking the I icon. A draft copy of the report will be displayed so the user can verify the added data. Once the data, images, and attachments are verified and everything looks good, the inspector can submit the certificate for approval by clicking the Submit button. After Submit, inspector can exit the page. Finally, returning to the lifting assets page and clicking Refresh updates the table. All newly created certifications will now appear with their status marked as pending approval.
This structured workflow makes it simple for inspectors to create lifting certificates from creation, submission, and finally approval. QMX streamlines the entire process, ensuring efficiency, transparency, and confidence in every inspection. Thank you for watching this walkthrough.